What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I do have a product from UaG. They were kind enough to send me out their iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation iPad. As you can see here, they sent it out over to me in blue. And this is what the front case looks like. I'm just reading to you what it has. It's for iPad Pro 11-inch, 1, 2, and 3. And iPad Air 10.9-inch 4 and 5. And this is what the outside of the boxing looks like. And on the back, it tells you more information. So you could pause this and read it for yourself if you want to. It just tells you that it has good impact, and it was tested for so many feet of being drop tested. And like I said, you can read this for yourself if you want to do that. But this is what the box looks like whenever you get this for yourself. And as soon as we're done reading this, I will unbox it for you. So now I'm going to get ready to open this up just like so. So this is what it looks like when it's taken out of the box. So it looks and feels good in the hand. And it has a strap that you can open that will keep your S Pen attached, so on and so on. It feels nice. It has a nice smooth little feel to it. And when you open it up, you take out the foam, and this is what the inner side looks like. And here's my iPad 11-inch Pro. I'm going to drop it in like so. And once we get this in, we're going to take a look around the device. So now this is what it looks like once it is inserted into the case. It looks and feels good. You don't have to worry about this dropping or falling. You should be good to go. There's a slot for the S Pen, and it is magnetized, so it does stick to a magnet in charge. Now let's look around the case. So I'm showing you how the pencil connects. Once you connect the pencil, it will show you that it's charging, and that is connected to the case. It just sits up there on the top here. So pretty much this is what the product looks like on the outside of it. Like I said, it has a nice feel. When you open it up, it does wake and unwake the screen. So pretty much now I'm going to take you over to the website so you can see how much this case will cost you if you wanted to pick it up for yourself one day. So pretty much what you do is go to Google and you want to type in uag.com. Once you type it in, you want to find the right link for the website. You want to click in the website, and I'll also drop a link to the website in the description. So pretty much this is their web page, and I'm going to pull up the case that I currently have that UaG was kind enough to currently send me. So you really pretty much want to find tablets. And once you find tablet, you want to scroll until you find the one you have, and I have the one right here. So this is the Metropolis SE, and this is what it looks like. It comes in 3 different colors. They sent me out the blue one, and I'm really glad they did because my favorite color is blue. But this is what it will look like on the website, and it is $59 and some change. So that's how much it will cost you if you want to pick this up for yourself. Would I recommend this case? Yes, I would. And they also have other cases, but this is the one that they currently sent out to me. They have it in black and they have it in a green color, but they were able to send me one in the blue, and I'm really appreciative of that. So that's the green color. As you can see, it looks like a little army green color there. And pretty much that's all you get with the case. So now let me take you a walk around the case so you can see all its functions and how good it keeps your iPad protected. So like I said, it feels good to the touch on the back. I know if you drop this thing, you'll be good to go. As you can see there, it does have access to your USB-C charging port and all your cables that you would need down there, speaker, so on and so on, microphone, so on and so on. And then you have easy access to plug in your USB charging cable. Next, you have the ports at the top. So like I said, your microphone, your speakers, access to your power button. It just looks and feels nice. You get good enough protection around the camera bump, so if you place it flat down on the table, you have no worries at all. You will be good to go. You don't have to worry about this getting scuffed up or scratched because it's good and protected. It's a folio like case. It has little grips and grooves. It says UaG on the front. It also has little fake screws in there for it, but to give it some more protection. You get feet, so if you drop it on the side, you'll be good to go. So pretty much, this was the Metropolis SE from UaG. Rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.